appearance is Sopron and
TV to guys.
and of 83. So, kanina si Chopin for 8 or 7. Ito naman, nag-start siya ng 8 years old. Ray, pwede rin.
He was the one of the greatest piano players who had ever lived. The set of piece of Anis Pilgrimage years of pilgrimage was written as this travel around Europe. They are like musical diary of place. He went and how he felt about the place.
So, parang kinento na lang nangyari sa kanya is that this one place, Alice din. Ito yung title ng kinanta niya. So, yung mga places under Europe. So, parang, di ba, pag pupunta tayo sa mga ibang bansa, may mga diary tayo. Pero si Franz Liszt, ginawa niya ito ng kanta. So, parang in-story niya yung places he went and how he felt about the things he saw on the around the Europe. So third, lesson 3, we have the romantic
Opera.
Please,
Buti lagpasan ako.
The opera has been one of the most important and best known theatrical genres of the 19th century. The word opera is actually a shortened word for opera in music. An opera is generally referred to as a stage presentation or work that combines music, costume, and scenery to relay a story.
okay, so it's like a musical play, opera. We have here the different singing styles were developed for the opera. First is recitative. So pag sinabi po natin recitative, that is imitating the pattern and rhythm of the speech. Pag recitative, parang alinuulit imitation. So that is the recitative. Next, aria. James.
Aria when a character express feeling through a flowing melody.
So that is aria. When a character, for example,